Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel No Nuggets, a place where you will gain information through nuggets of knowledge. As a business analyst, managing scope creep and effectively convincing the technical team to accept changes requires clear communication, negotiation skills, and a focus on balancing project objectives. In this video, we explore real-world scenarios where scope creep arises and provide practical strategies to manage changes effectively. Learn how to assess the impact, prioritize requests, and communicate with stakeholders. Let's dive in. Imagine a software development project where the technical team has been working diligently to deliver a web application within the agreed-upon scope and timeline. However, during the course of the project, the business stakeholders request the addition of new features that were not initially included in the project scope. This is a classic case of scope creep. To handle scope creep, the business analyst plays a crucial role in facilitating the conversation between the business stakeholders and the technical team. Firstly, the business analyst needs to analyze the requested changes to understand their impact on the project's timeline, resources, and technical feasibility. They should assess the potential risks and evaluate whether accommodating the changes aligns with the project's overall objectives. Next, the business analyst should collaborate with the business stakeholders to prioritize the requested changes based on their business value and impact. They need to articulate the consequences of adding new features, such as potential delays, increased development effort, and additional costs. It is important to provide a realistic assessment of the trade-offs involved. To convince the technical team to accept the change, the business analyst should emphasize the business value and potential benefits of incorporating the new features. They can illustrate how the changes align with the business goals, improve the user experience, or provide a competitive advantage. Additionally, the business analyst should address any concerns raised by the technical team, such as potential impacts on existing functionality, technical feasibility, or resource constraints. They should provide evidence-backed arguments and engage in constructive dialogue to find a middle ground. Ultimately, the business analyst's role is to facilitate a transparent and collaborative environment. By effectively managing scope creep, ensuring alignment with project objectives, and fostering open communication between the business stakeholders and technical team, the business analyst helps strike a balance and guide the project towards successful completion. Here are two additional scenarios where a business analyst may need to handle scope creep and convince the technical team to accept changes. Scenario 1. Integration of third-party system. In a software development project, the business stakeholders realize the need to integrate a third-party system for enhanced data analytics and reporting capabilities. However, the technical team has already completed the majority of the development work based on the initial requirements. The business analyst needs to assess the impact of the integration request on the project timeline, budget, and technical feasibility. They would work closely with the technical team to understand any potential risks or challenges associated with the integration. To convince the technical team, the business analyst would highlight the value of the third-party system in providing valuable insights and data-driven decision-making. They would emphasize the potential long-term benefits and efficiencies gained through the integration. While addressing any concerns or constraints raised by the technical team, the business analyst would collaborate with both the business stakeholders and the technical team to evaluate the trade-offs and reach a consensus on incorporating the requested changes. Scenario 2. Change in user interface design. During the development of a mobile application, the business stakeholders decide to change the user interface design to align with the latest industry trends. This change requires modifications to existing screens, navigation flow, and visual elements. The technical team expresses concerns about the impact on the development timeline and potential disruptions to the existing codebase. The business analyst would collaborate with the UX, UI designers and the technical team to evaluate the feasibility and impact of the design change. They would gather insights on the technical effort required for implementing the new design and communicate the potential risks and trade-offs to the business stakeholders. The business analyst would work to find a compromise between the desired design changes and the technical constraints, highlighting the importance of user experience and its impact on customer satisfaction. They would facilitate discussions and provide evidence-based arguments to convince the technical team of the value of the design change and explore strategies to minimize any negative impacts on the development process. In these scenarios, the business analyst acts as a mediator between the business stakeholders and the technical team. ensuring effective communication, assessing impacts, and advocating for the most feasible and beneficial solutions. By engaging in collaborative discussions and presenting evidence-based arguments, the business analyst helps manage scope creep, maintain project objectives, and foster a positive working relationship between the stakeholders and the technical team. I hope you like this video and gain knowledge. Please remember to like and subscribe our channel so you don't miss more videos like this. Thank you.